Hey legends, so today we're going to head off to a place called Guilderton, about 2.5 hours north of Perth, and we'll go to the Moore River. We're going to stay at a glamping stay. Yeah, it should be cool. I'll try and drop in and see King Neptune. Haven't seen him for many years. Yeah, we'll see how we go. I think it'll be fun. Good day. See you guys. So just put up at a spot called Burns Beach. Looks lovely. Absolutely lovely. Hey guys, so I've just rolled up at Guilderton National Park. Very cool. Just bought a park pass for 130 bucks. So it lasts you all year and you can go visit any of the national parks in Australia. We just discovered some kangaroos, a lot of native birds, some black cockatoos and galahs, and yeah, lots of different animals. Check out these little guys. Whoa, where is he? There he is, little kangie. Hey guys, so I've just stopped at a place called Guilderton Lagoon. Look how beautiful that is. Woo! Top place for snorkeling. Very cool indeed. So we finally made it, guys. A place called Guilderton. Now, check this out. Woo. There's the ocean out there. Bloody beauty.
You reckon?
No, that's probably a great idea.
Yeah, but how does he release it?
It's got a little thing on it. press the button and it drops it.
Oh, no way.
Well, hang on. Just gotta loosen this drag.
Hey, babe.
Yeah.
That's all right. Thanks, bro.
No worries. Yeah. Oh yeah.
On here, 10 satellites, and basically it'll come back. So this switch will just bring it back to where it is.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So start her up, and we go up.
Wow, look at that. Wow,
6 meters will do.
yep.
And we just push the switch, and you watch it drop.
Yeah, okay. Oh yeah.
That's right.
Look at that. Here it comes.
That's all the way land.
That's awesome.
No hands on that.
Hey legend. So day 3 at Guilderton, just had a yummy brekkie, and I'm just going to show you some drone footage of the area. It looks mint, absolutely mint.
It's hard to be alive when you're not here. It's hard to be alright when you're not here. I feel the misery, I feel the jealousy, I feel everything I didn't want to feel. Oh, it's real. Oh, baby, come on now. Let me know where you are before I lose it all. Let me know where you are before I lose it all. Let me know where you are before I lose it all. Oh, before I lose it all. I feel the misery, I feel the jealousy, I feel everything I didn't want to feel. Oh, it's real. Oh, baby, come on now. Let me know where you are before I lose it all. Let me know where you are before I lose it all. Let me know where you are before I lose it all. Oh, before I lose it all. Let me know where you are before I lose it all. Let me know where you are before I lose it all. Let me know where you are before I lose it all.
Yeah, so that concludes our journey, legends. We won the meat raffle the other night at the country club. That was epic. We're going to go and pick up all of our meat to take home with us. So yeah, that'll be cool. I'll show you some photos. Cheers guys, thanks for tuning in. Catch you, legends.